Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send live location on WhatsApp. It's really simple and easy. So for this, first of all, what you have to do is you have to open the WhatsApp application here and then just open the chat you want to send the location of. Now you will see these options. You can see this hamburger option. Just tap on it and you will see this option location. Just simply tap on this location, tap on this continue, and now you will see these options here. You can see you can share your live location as well or send your current location as well. You have to make sure that your device GPS or location service are turned on. Now just simply tap on this share live location, tap on this continue, and you have to select that how long you want to share your live location, 15 minutes, 1 hour or 8 hours. So just select it and then simply tap on this send button and your live location will be shared. To stop this, just simply tap on this stop sharing, tap on this stop, and you are good to go. So that's how to send live location on WhatsApp. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.